name is Brian.
And my name's Kenton, and today we're going to be talking about a data manipulation tool called Dplyr. Now, we're going to be covering some of the most basic functionalities of Dplyr, but by no means is this all that Dplyr can do. Now, we encourage you to explore this package beyond our brief tutorial, as it does contain many useful tools. Now, the first thing that we need to do is install Dplyr to our library. Now, for this demonstration, we're going to be working with a dataset called flights. Now, let's import this now. This dataset contains information on all flights, including their date, carrier, flight number, destination, etc. We're going to be focusing on the carrier, destination, and average delay. Now, the first functionality that we're going to demonstrate is the filter function. Now, similar commands that can be used with basic R code without Dplyr will be commented below in green. Now, suppose we're thinking about taking a vacation. We have frequent flyer miles through United Airlines, and we've really wanted to go to Hawaii. We're able to filter this flight's dataset by the carrier and by the destination. When we do that, we get a list of all flights flown by United Airlines to Honolulu. However, it still gives us a lot of other variables, including some we might not care about. With the select function, we're able to select the specific variables we wish to see. Now, suppose you booked a non-refundable scuba tour and are very concerned with your flight arriving on time. Now, we can select the carrier, destination, and arrival delay as the criteria within the filter flight subset that we would like to select. Once we run this, we are returned with a list that just gives us the United Airlines flights to Hawaii and their average delay. We can now display this data in descending order by using the arrange function on our new subset of selected flights.
So as you can tell, declaring variables every time you want to use a Dplyr function can get very annoying. That's why Dplyr comes with this tool called piping. Piping is the percent greater than percent symbols that you notice right here. What that does is it calls the dataset that you are planning on using every time you want to use a Dplyr function. So now you notice that within this filter function, we do not call the dataset. So we are doing everything that we have displayed previous to this line of code all within one line of code. We are filtering it, we are selecting it, and we are arranging the data. The next really useful function that Dplyr has is the summarize function. The summarize function allows you to use functions such as means, mins, maxes, and counts to summarize your data, obviously. In this case, we are looking at the mean arrival delay, and we want to make sure that all NA values are removed from the dataset. So the mean arrival delay for United Airlines flights to Honolulu is 20 minutes. We are not really sure whether or not 20 minutes is a large delay time compared to maybe other destinations. So we decided to write maybe another line of code to test that. So this line 33 looks at the mean arrival delay per destination for United Airlines. To do this, we need to use a group by because every destination has numerous observations. So once we group it by the destination, every row will just represent one destination, and next to it will be the mean arrival delay, and then a count, just so that we can make sure that the sample size is large enough. We will then display it in descending order. Honolulu is actually first, which is pretty interesting. So thank you guys for listening. As you can tell, Dplyr is a very efficient and useful tool. It can use multiple functions and kind of pipe them together so you can solve complex problems such as the one that I have previously demonstrated. And I'm sure every one of you guys will hopefully find a way to use it within this class. Thanks.